What are you doing now, Jamie?
Man, what's up, dude? Come in here. Check this stuff out I just got from GeezerEngineering for this new performance build I'm doing.
Oh wow, that's
These
nice.
dudes hooked me up, man. Fully adjustable, coil over, remote reservoir, rear shocks, 13-inch stock height, not changing the height at all. We're doing a performance build, so full performance suspension. They're working with me on it. So full triple tree, 49mm conversion. Only company that sells an entire kit, dude. Check this out.
Oh,
they
that's
think
nice.
of everything. Top, bottom triple tree, new shaft, riser bushings. This is their drop-in for your front tubes. Nitrogen, fully adjustable. Here's their gauge. You can tell how much adjustment you got. And then once you get it in, you can fine tune from the bottom through the underside of their amazing fork lowers, dude. Check these things out. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Everything they make is incredible. They send you everything. All your bushings, new axle shaft, new axle nuts, caps for the other fork lower. I mean, what else do they need to think of?
What do you not have?
Nothing. Suspension wise, all came from one spot, completely affordable. Go check out my dudes over at GeezerEngineering. They hook me up and they can hook you up too. And stay tuned because this build's about to get wild.